I want you to pay close attention because what I'm about to share could completely change your entire approach to YouTube and content creation forever. There is a massive quiet corner of the internet thriving right now. Geography channels that expertly blend maps, storytelling, and clean motion design. Take a look at channels like Glor 6, which avoid the boring textbook style by using slick animated maps and narrative hooks to keep viewers glued to the screen. The views they pull are honestly insane, with videos hitting millions and millions of views, one successful upload after another. If you scroll through their feeds, you will notice a weirdly consistent pattern where almost every single video effortlessly breaks the million-view mark. Then you have channels like Geog Globe Tales, which are operating on a completely different level, pulling tens of millions of views on their regular uploads. Even their lower-performing content still pulls in 5 to 6 million views like it is absolutely nothing. This massive success tells you two things. People are starving for geography told in a visual, story-driven way, and the format is incredibly scalable. This is definitely not accidental success, as it is a repeatable system that anyone can leverage with the right approach. Most people assume these high-end animations are handcrafted in software like After Effects, taking days of painstaking frame-by-frame work. While traditional animation workflows are indeed slow and require intense technical skills, here is the kicker. You no longer need to be a pro animator. Modern AI tools have completely changed the game, allowing you to produce clean, map-based animations and motion infographics faster than ever before. Some of these innovative tools are even accessible for free or through affordable small trials, lowering the barrier to entry significantly. Imagine a major trending story, like a high-profile company rebranding, which used to take hours of manual animation to turn into a punchy explainer. Now, with the right AI tool, you can generate a complete, high-quality animated segment about that story in seconds using only a simple text prompt. Or consider a research-heavy comparison piece between different countries. Instead of spending days designing, you can have animation-ready assets in mere minutes. You can apply this to financial app walkthroughs as well, instantly generating slick motion visuals that perfectly highlight features and complex user journeys. To prove this niche is truly profitable, you do not even have to guess, because SocialBlade estimates these channels earn thousands every single month. We are talking ranges from $2,000 to over $70,000 per month, depending heavily on the channel size and their specific ad rates. That impressive income potential is even before you factor in additional revenue streams like sponsorships, affiliate deals, or selling digital products. The ultimate takeaway here is simple. Geography, mixed with compelling storytelling and motion, creates a very strong, reliable monetization opportunity. However, let me be blunt with you. Not everyone has the time or desire to learn complex editing software or pay a designer hundreds of dollars per clip. That is exactly where modern AI tools become essential, as they do the heavy lifting for you and streamline the entire production process. Within the animation space, there are now incredible tools that let you prompt maps, custom icons, and complex motion templates directly into existence. These tools are fantastic for creators who need one-off animated pieces, but they are sometimes limited by restrictive pricing or a focus solely on motion rather than growth. I want to show you a full, efficient workflow that mixes these powerful tools, but with one subtle, important shift in focus. Instead of focusing on just one polished animation, the real leverage is turning your long-form content into dozens of attackable short clips for social media. This is where a tool like Vizard becomes super relevant to your strategy, acting as the bridge between your long-form content and your social reach. Vizard is an AI tool built specifically to take long videos and automatically find the viral moments, turning them into ready-to-post clips for you. The three things that really matter here are auto-editing viral clips, auto-scheduling, and a content calendar that centralizes all your publishing efforts. These features are the true secret sauce for creators who want serious scale without the need to spend all night grinding through manual edits. Let me walk you through an actual example, like a geography deep dive on provinces, to show you exactly how this workflow fits together. First, for brainstorming and scripts, I used a language model to generate a crisp list of punchy one-liners that work perfectly as short clips. The model even produced a simple bar chart layout idea for me, which I then exported as an image to use for my visual assets. Second, for animated map visuals, I used a dedicated animation tool that is built specifically for maps and motion infographics. You can upload that bar chart or map and generate animated highlights in seconds, tweaking colors, durations, and styles to match your vision perfectly. Third, for the narration, I paste my refined scripts into a realistic text-to-speech tool. Pick a voice I like and export the audio in minutes. Pro tip, don't be afraid to tweak the speed or add slight emphasis to the text-to-speech settings. It makes the audio sound much more natural and engaging. Here is where most creators slow down, manually slicing, captioning, resizing for different platforms, and scheduling posts for days or weeks ahead. That is exactly where Vizard changes everything by automatically analyzing the footage and creating a set of bite-sized clips optimized for social media. It even takes care of the technical cuts for you while allowing you to make quick adjustments if you want to tweak timing or text overlays. With Vizard, you can take your long explainer and instantly generate a dozen short clips, all framed correctly for TikTok, Shorts, or Instagram. But it does not stop at editing because Vizard's auto-schedule feature lets you set your desired frequency and cues the clips for you automatically. The content calendar gives you one clear place to see what is scheduled, perform drag-and-drop changes, or edit metadata before anything goes live. Compared to alternatives, Vizard sits in a sweet spot where it does not try to replace a full animation suite, but rather complements it perfectly. The true value lies in this efficient pipeline: long video, automatic clip extraction, ready-to-post variants, and automated scheduling. That chain of events is what lets creators move from producing one polished video to maintaining a steady stream of content without hiring an editor. My realistic workflow is simple: generate the long-form script and map animations, produce the voiceover, and publish the full explainer. Then I feed that long video into Vizard, which chops it into viral-sized clips that I can schedule to push out over the next few weeks. The result of this method is consistent posting, very low effort, and multiple entry points that attract different audiences to your channel. Financially, the impact is huge, because if one long video spawns 20 shorts that bring in new viewers, you multiply your growth potential. With the ad numbers we discussed, plus sponsorships and products, it is very easy to see how the compounding effect starts to build your income. The bottom line is that if you are into geography content or anything that benefits from smart repurposing, your best play is combining these tools. You get the aesthetic and storytelling power from modern motion tools and the distribution scale from Vizard's clip creation and auto-scheduling engine. This is not about replacing human creativity, but rather about amplifying it so one long piece of work yields weeks of high-quality content. If you have ever wanted to get into YouTube but felt overwhelmed by the editing or the grind of posting, this approach is your ultimate shortcut. Make that big, thoughtful video once, use AI to give it polish, and let Vizard turn that effort into a steady stream of platform-native clips. If you want to try this exact pipeline, start by testing a map animation tool, create one explainer, and drop it into Vizard to see what clips it finds. Experiment with the posting frequency in the content calendar and watch how consistent, automated posting compounds your views over time. There is no need for After Effects mastery and no need to hire a full-time editor. Just smart tools and a repeatable process that actually works. Alright, that is it for today, so if this sounds useful, try this combo on your next video and be surprised by how fast you can scale. Thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.